Hello and welcome to Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing course. GD&T, as it is popularly known as, is a dimensional terminology and science suggested by ASME 14.5Y 2018 for maintaining quality of manufactured components. In this course, we will discuss why this system is better than the traditional dimensioning system, the terminology or the symbols involved, true positioning tolerancing. We will discuss all the usage of the symbols with reference to components. We can view the tolerance zones of them too. I have used Autodesk Fusion 360 to show the solid models and engineering drawings. We will also see the practical applications. At the end of the course, I am sure you will start appreciating GD&T when compared to the conventional dimensioning and become confident reading them from drawings. This course, being a basic level course, deals only with a few examples of application. At the end of the course, I will also explain how to apply these symbols in Fusion 360.